So now let us talk about what we would call the conventional modern hair care routine. This is for the conventional products girlies. We have a pre-wash treatment, cleansing with shampoo, applying conditioner, the after wash treatment, and styling. Pre-shampoo treatments are applied to dry hair before shampooing with a regular cleanser. They help to lock in moisture and hydration to keep hair healthy, soft, strong, and shiny. It can be an oil, a mask, a balm, or a butter. So you may do a pre-shampoo treatment based on your hair needs. If you have dry hair and damaged hair caused by heat, chemicals, or coloring, you can use oils as a pre-poo. The oils will add extra moisture. If you have dandruff, aloe vera gel as a pre-poo can reduce inflammation and itchiness caused by dandruff because it is antifungal. If your hair is dry, it is another remedy to increase moisture. If you want to prevent hair breakage, provide moisture, have shinier and softer hair, you can use butter like shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, and hemp seed butter. If you want to stop frizz, repair split ends, stop hair loss, and have softer hair, you can use a banana hair mask for its content of potassium and natural oils. If you want to strengthen weak, brittle, or damaged hair that are very frail and fragile, you can use eggs as a pre-poo treatment. If you don't want or don't have the time to make your own pre-poo products, you can always buy them. But always consider your hair state and its needs and your hair goal before buying any pre-poo product. Always read the information on the product to see if the product will match your hair needs. Cleansing your hair with shampoo. Well, washing your hair with shampoo seems to be pretty basic, right? And you would just have to buy a shampoo and then just use it, right? Well, not all shampoos are good for your hair. And if you did not know, now you know. First of all, as much as possible, do not use shampoo that you think may have not followed all the sanitary, chemical, and healthy related regulation before being on the market. Also, avoid any shampoo that does not list all the ingredients on the packaging. That is suspicious and dangerous, potentially for your hair and your health. Now, when you're looking for a shampoo, it may not be easy for you to decide which one to use or to stick with because there are a lot of shampoos out there. As for the pre-poo, choose a shampoo that is well suited for your hair type and needs, in addition of its cleansing properties. Well, we normally know that people usually apply conditioner on their hair after washing it with shampoo. But why is that? They do so because without the conditioner, even though their hair is clean after the shampoo, the hair care routine is not complete. Whether you have fine, thick, thin, curly, wavy, or coiled hair, you need to apply a conditioner on your hair. This is because the conditioner helps to replenish the moisture lost during shampooing and also to compensate for the loss of natural oils stripped from your hair during shampooing. The conditioner will help to give your hair a protective coating to prevent breakage, moisturize your hair, and thus make it softer, smoother, and shinier. You should choose a conditioner accordingly to your hair needs. There are conditioners for all types of hair needs. You just have to read the label. When you take your time to choose your conditioner carefully to match your hair needs, you will have amazing results. Generally, the conditioner will complement the shampoo that it is supposed to work with, and they usually are sold together. So now, here are the steps you could follow to ensure you are not damaging your hair and you are promoting healthy hair after washing and conditioning your hair. 1. Use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel to dry your hair. 2. Apply a leave-in conditioner, a hair serum, or an oil to fight frizz and add shine and to smooth your hair. Again, try to find the most natural product and avoid harmful ingredients. 3. Don't use heat styling tools. Don't tie your hair, don't comb your hair. Do not forget that wet hair is fragile and tying it up with elastic or combing it or heat styling it will lead to hair breakage and other problems. 4. Let your hair air dry as much as possible and after that style your hair as desired. You can use a natural oil, a natural butter, a hair cream or another product that will help your hair to stay moisturized and beautiful for a few days.